How to easily change country or region in Temu. So to start, we'll just have to open our Temu account. After that, we'll have to go at the bottom part of the screen and then tap on this profile icon. Once we're here on our profile, tap on the settings icon, and then under settings, you will now see this option, country and region. What we need to do is to tap on this one. So to change our country or region, all you need to do is to select the country where you want to change. So as an example, from Philippines, I'm going to change the country to Brazil. So to do that, I'll just have to tap on this one. And then in here, we'll have to tap on this Switch to Brazil option. After that, it will automatically refresh my Temu account. So if we go back on my profile, tap again on the settings icon. And then in here, as you can see, my country is now on Brazil. So that's how easy we can change country or region in Temu. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!